Good morning. We're going on a hike to see the sunrise. I slept like 4 hours. This is a nail scissor. Yeah. It's okay, love.
I hope the weather is okay. Last time my friends went up there, it was kind of shit. There wasn't really a sunrise. It was very cloudy. I feel like it looks okay-ish. Let's hope so. I think we're actually quite lucky with the weather. I can see the stars, so no clouds, so there might be a good chance for seeing the sunrise. It's a lot of stairs. The city by night looks so beautiful. I think I'm lost. You guys, is this the right way? Are we lost? I think we're lost. I screamed and somebody said hello. Person is coming. I need to hear them. Okay.
你在城市中滚烫的渴求，坠落的可能性，又唤醒了梦。若这世界还愿收留一点点爱就拜托告诉我尽头有什么。看不清谁的面孔，只跟着背走，都不想变得普通，却又害怕不同。时间里去接着，狂浪摔碎在身后，还妄想能回头，重新再来过。长得太慢太快，空过已久的爱，该往哪儿摆？曾经试着拨开我的灵魂对白，却一片突然。谁都知道一切从来没那么难，也不能说简单。我们终究只求最低门槛的人生解决方案。
That was quite nice. But I think I'm going back now. Kind of tired. Also, I'm a little hungry. I need a snack. On our way back down.
的渴求，坠落的可能性，又唤醒了梦。若这世界还愿收留。
I think that was a very beautiful hike. It's definitely worth it to wake up in the morning, but to be honest, there was no light. Like going up here is a little dangerous because it's very dark. Can be a little dangerous. It was a little cloudy, but I think this is just like how sunrises and sunsets are here. I have to get something to eat now. Lol, I lost the group and I think I went the wrong way. Help. Okay, it keeps getting worse. I think I'm lost. I got some food. I think I'm gonna go back to the dorm now and take a nap.
We're going for a run. The weather temperature has dropped quite a bit in the last couple of weeks, so weather is really nice now. And we thought it would be a good idea to go on a run. I'm not really sure if we'll actually end up running, but we'll try.
What a polite sir.
How you held a nap?
Good. Doing good. Bit tired. That's good.
Oh, Melissa! Melissa took a walk.
Yeah.
She's carrying our water bottles.
I think he's fleeing.
Yeah, but he was having intercourse with her.
Ui.
I am back. That was a good run. Really beautiful, beautiful scenery. Hello, hello. I really want to go and try Stinky Tofu. As some of you may know or not know, I'm actually vegetarian, and I thought coming to China being vegetarian would be very difficult. But turns out that there are some signature dishes that are actually without meat. And one of them is stinky tofu, or how they say it, chou tofu. So tonight, me and my girls are gonna go and try some chou tofu, and we'll see if it's really that stinky. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are on the mission to get stinky tofu. We have arrived at our destination.
I'm a little afraid. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try one. One
Let's-
bite. Let's do one portion. I'm not gonna do a portion by myself.
We're all afraid.
Okay. It's 5 for 8, so I think that's plenty.
Who's going to try first?
Are you guys doing the whole time?
啊，
八个，
对，
要辣吗？
没有。Do you want spicy? 一点点。
We like it.
打包吗？还是
Who wants to try?
It's time.
Who wants to go first?
There's one more sticks or... Oh wait, oh, there's 4 sticks.
底部的是有辣椒，
Okay.
That's fucking good.
面上的是在
Is it good?
It's not that stinky when it's near my nose. Yeah, it's good.
Is it hot? It's like,
No,
it's
you
like
can eat it.
it's very
Really
good.
good.
The outside texture is like a burnt marshmallow.
Okay, we
对呀，一个大箱子。
stink that much.
Oh, we can.
We can get it every day.
Yeah, we can go. Oh, you are eating it so beautifully. So, first reactions?
Good, right?
Oh, it's tasty.
You can't have it like once.
I like it, yeah. 8.
So 2 for everybody.
Day. It's interesting that I was expecting so much worse, but actually it's really tasty.
Yeah.
And I like the texture.
I think once you eat it, like you can't even smell it because it's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you smell like it.
That's why I wanted to try it, because everybody says it's so stinky, but the taste is so different from the smell.
Yeah.
Hi, Serena forgot to end the vlog, so we end it now. Thanks for watching. Bye!